When we first looked to the skies, we saw another world. A world that stood above us. We couldn't touch it. It was beyond our reach. But there's a funny thing about curiosity, the vehicle that drives our very existence. It does not stop craving what it does not understand. It delves headfirst into the unknown, stumbling, searching. Our greatest strength is that we do not fear the unknown. We yearn to become one with it. Our wings aided us in the basic human instinct to unite. We persisted to perfect our voyaging, and we worked tirelessly at perfecting it, because we knew that it would help our fellow wanderers. And like the curiosity of those before us, we will continue to find a better way to thrive, to see, and most importantly, to reach.